Hi, my name's Ron from Connect SmartHome, and we love smart home security. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our range of indoor and outdoor cameras. But before we go through that range, I'd like to highlight some key security features that are common across the entire range. The first feature is high definition video recording, FHD or 1080p as some people may know it. All this means it records in a higher number of pixels, which then gives you a clear image to view. This is really important when you want to identify that unwanted visitor or intruder. The second feature is onboard storage. Because at Connect SmartHome, we believe the only person who should be viewing your content is you or the people you give access to. This is why we recommend installing an SD card. Depending on the size of the SD card, you can record up to 5 days worth of video footage. The recorded footage can be accessed through your smartphone, or simply removing the SD card and installing it into a compatible device, like a laptop. Another great thing about having an SD card installed is that you can actually sell them one. Did somebody say attach? The other feature I want to talk about is motion detect. This is a really cool feature because as soon as the camera gets triggered, you get a phone notification. This means you don't have to go through hours worth of footage at the end of each day like other older security systems. You can even catch the intruder in the act. Because it's a smart camera, it can actually trigger other events or scenes. This is pretty cool. Now, let's have a look at our indoor range. We have two models, the IP cam and the IP360 cam. The IP cam is great for smaller rooms or monitoring your pets. It has two-way communication, so if you want, you can have a chat with your dog. The 360 cam is ideal for larger rooms like lounge rooms or open plan style living. Because the camera can rotate, this means it has a wider field of view. This is great for when you do get that intruder, you'll actually detect it and actually follow them around the room. Our entire range of outdoor cameras are battery powered. This means that you can pretty much mount them anywhere. Provided that you're within range of your home Wi-Fi network, the camera's battery will last approximately 6 months before it needs a recharge. But if you pair it with one of our solar panels, you'll never have to recharge the thing again. Did somebody say attach? The other cool thing about our solar panels is that it's USB-C. This means that you can pretty much power most devices or mobile devices with a solar panel, like your phone. So whether you have a customer that is new to the smart security scene, or a customer wants to completely deck out their home with a complete security camera system, we have the solution for them.